Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm not here to bore you with any of my, presentations or lectures or something. I'm here to just ask you a few riddles, okay? So are we ready to answer? It's going to be a very, very short video. Okay, so we start with number one. Forwards, I'm heavy. Forwards, I'm heavy, but backwards, I'm not. Okay? Forwards, I'm heavy, but backwards, I'm not. Second one, which country is popular on the day of Thanksgiving? Which country is popular on the day of Thanksgiving? Number three, what starts with E, ends with E, and has only one letter? It starts with E, ends with E, but has only one letter. Number four, the more you take away, the bigger I become. Strange. The more you take away from me, the bigger I become. That was number four. And the last one, number five, what can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right hand? What can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right hand? So that was it. I'll wait for your answers in the comment section. Let's see who comes up with the first all 5 correct answers. No prizes. It's just a brain exercise. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.